Running wider tires on your Ram 1500 or just tired of beat-up, chalky factory fenders? Fender flares protect your paint from rocks and road debris, keep you legal with bigger tire packages, and give your truck a wider, more commanding stance. All links are organized by generation in the video description. Let's get into it. Starting the countdown at number 5, here's the Tyger Auto for the 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500. Paintable, fine-textured UV-resistant finish, 5.5-inch front and 4.5-inch rear flare height, 2.5 inches of tire coverage front and rear. No drilling required, hardware and instructions included. Mud flaps need to come off first, and the Hemi badge may need relocating. Compatible with aftermarket bumpers, backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. A solid, dependable pick for early generation owners who want clean protection without the fuss. Jumping ahead to number 4, meet the Monkey Autosports Classic style for the 2009 through 2024 Classic body models. Lightweight ABS plastic composite with a satin micro-textured OE style black finish that looks factory straight out of the box. Paintable, UV protected, and owners consistently report a clean, near-factory appearance once installed. Works across a wide generation span covering both the old and classic body styles. Note, does not fit sports models with painted bumpers or dually configs. A great value option for anyone who wants a subtle but protective look. Right above it at number 3, check out the Bushwacker for the 2009 to 2024 Classic Ram 1500. Bushwacker invented the Fender flare and offers 4 distinct styles here. Pocket style with recessed stainless steel bolts for maximum presence, OE style for a refined factory look, Forge style with rugged textured finish and all-black rivet hardware, and Extend a Fender for clean contoured coverage without the bulk. All built from Bushwacker's proprietary Duraflex 2000 material, made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Excludes Rebel and TRX models. Stepping up to number 2, here's the Tyger Auto Classic for the 2009 to 2024 Classic body models. Available in both rough textured and smooth textured finishes, 100% UV resistant, 4 3/4 inch flare height front and rear, 2.6 inches of front and 2 inches of rear tire coverage. No drilling, hardware, and instructions included. About 2 hours to install. Mud flaps off first. Hemi badge may need relocating. Not compatible with aftermarket front bumpers or RT, Rebel, and Warlock models. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. And grabbing the top spot, the Tyger Auto for the 2019 to 2024 new body Ram 1500. The best all-around option on this list. 2 styles available. Rugged style with 6.42-inch front and 5.95-inch rear flare height and 2.6 inches of rear tire coverage. Or classic style with a more modest 4-inch height and lighter coverage for a subtle look. Both are UV resistant, injection molded, and built to resist cracking, warping, and chalking long term. Hardware and instructions included. No drilling on the rugged style. Backed by Tyger's limited lifetime warranty. The most versatile and well-fitted option for the current generation Ram. And that is your top 5 fender flares for the Dodge Ram 1500 from the early 2000s to today. Every link is sorted by generation in the video description. Go find the one that fits your truck. If this helped, hit that subscribe button and stay with the crew. More Ram content is coming. Catch you in the next one.